Can you imagine this? A team of EMTs, sirens wailing, rushes a critical patient to the nearest hospital. They pull up to a building they've been routed to countless times, an old but seemingly functional facility. Inside, the lights are bright, the corridors are clean, and nurses in crisp white uniforms greet them with reassuring smiles. The patient is whisked away for treatment. Everything seems normal, right? But here's the chilling part. That hospital officially shut down over 30 years ago, and when the EMTs later follow up, they discover something impossible. Every single patient they dropped off at that mysterious hospital was already listed as deceased in the city's official records. What's going on in this hospital that treats the dead? Let me know your theories in the comments. And if you love a good mystery, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more strange stories. Thanks for watching.
That you will be gone, but tonight